Hi, I'm Josh with ASG Automotive, and today we're going to be talking about positive crankcase ventilation systems. So this car came in and he had a rough running concern. Check engine light was on and it was making kind of a weird whistling noise. And our technician Ryan found it right away. This small diaphragm here on the valve cover is actually part of your PCV system. You must replace this entire valve cover to fix it. And he could feel vacuum coming through this small port right here on his finger, and that should never be happening. So automatically he knew right away that it was the PCV valve. So we're going to replace this valve cover. You can kind of see underneath here, it's all trapped in here. You can't just replace this piece, you have to replace the whole valve cover. So if your car idles funny, you may have a check engine light, it could potentially be a PCV issue, but there's no way to know until you get it in here. So we'll replace this valve cover and we'll have a happy customer on the way.